Good morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are staying fit and healthy. Myself Ms. Surbhi Sharma from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. So children, today we are going to start with GK class 5. Open up your books, keep pencils in your hand. Starting with chapter number 32, that is sporting legends. Now what do you all get from the topic itself, sporting legends? Legends, those who have done something great, okay, in the field of sports, okay, those who have achieved something, okay, they have achieved name, they have achieved medals, okay, they have done great in the field of their sports in which they are playing, okay. So sporting legends. Many sports persons are not only synonymous with sustained sporting excellence, but also are true global icons who have defended their supremacy over a period of time. Okay, global icons, like everyone knows them for their achievements in the past years. Okay, in the sports which they have, the medals they have achieved. Okay, the scores they have achieved. Write the names of the following sporting legends in the given space using the help box. So first one, you can see the picture. Widely acknowledged as one of the greatest batsmen, he is the only batsman to have scored 51 test cricket centuries and 49 and 49 ODI centuries. ODI is, yes, tell me what is ODI? Please pick up your pencils and write down the full form of ODI. Full form of ODI is One Day International. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar. Second one, she has 29 Grand Slam titles. Grand Slam titles, that means major championships. She has won major championships and 4 Olympics gold medals. She is the only player to have achieved a career golden slam in both singles and doubles. She is Serena Williams. Okay, she was a tennis player. Third one, most decorated Olympian of all time with 22 medals. He also holds the all-time record of 18 gold medals, 11 in individual events. He is Michael Phelps, okay, and he was an American swimmer. Fourth one, the 17 times Grand Slam championship has won 244 Grand Slam matches, the most in the history. He was
Roger Federer,
also a tennis player. Fifth one, he is a Jamaican athlete. He won 100 meter and 200 meter race in London Olympics 2012. He took only 9.63 seconds to complete the 100 meter race. He was Usain Bolt. Sixth one, this 14 times major winner is just 4 short of Jack Nicklaus. He is the only player to have won all 4 major golf titles in a row. He was Tiger Woods, and Jack Nicklaus, he was also a golfer. Okay, he used to play golf. So children, please write down the spellings very carefully. Next, chapter number 33, environmental quiz. Yes, now in this chapter I am going to check how many of you are aware about the environment, about the harmful effects which is there because of us, okay, on the environment, positive and negative aspects of the environment. Now let us read about it. The environment satisfies our needs and help us to survive and thrive, grow up strongly. In return, we do not pay attention to the damage done to the environment in order to make our life comfortable. Okay. So, are we damaging the environment? Yes, we are damaging the environment. What we are doing? Deforestation. We are cutting down the plants, okay, for the wood. Okay. So, that is somewhere creating the imbalance in our environment. Okay, children. Check your environmental awareness by taking the right option. First one, which company was responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy? Okay, you all are aware of the Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay, gas was leaked. So, Union Carbide. C is the right option, Union Carbide. Second one, which country suffered a devastating tsunami in 2011? Okay, China, Japan or France? So, answer will be B, Japan. Okay. Third one, which of these is the purest source of water? Purest source of water, oceans, seas or rain? So your answer will be C1, rain. Fourth one, which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? 25th July, 5th June or 25th June? Your answer will be B option, 5th June. Fifth one, which of these can cause an oil spill? Okay, oil spill यानी release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon. Okay, release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbons. A, kitchen waste, a leaking ship or none of these. So your answer will be B, a leaking ship. Sixth one, which gas is released during the burning of fossil fuels? Yes, burning of fossil fuels that increase the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, so your answer will be C1, carbon dioxide. Seventh one, the Bhopal gas tragedy took place on 3rd December. In which year? In 1984. So B is the correct answer. Put the tick. Eighth one, the most abundant plants found in the oceans and seas are known as phytoplankton. B is the correct option. A is zooplankton and C is necton. Okay, but the correct answer is B1, that is phytoplankton. Okay, and phytoplankton is the microalgae. Okay. Ninth one, which gas is used to inflate weather balloons? Argon, neon or helium? So your correct answer will be C1, helium. Okay, kindly put the tick mark in front of the right answer, in front of the right option. So children, mark it properly, give a read to the chapters already done. We are going to continue with the next chapters in the next video. Till then, thank you.